Hello my dear students and welcome back to Biology Online Classes. I'm Rabia Khatun and today I'll be teaching you English Literature of class 5th. We'll be studying chapter number 7 of your book and the name of the chapter is If You Think. This is a short poem that describes that everything what happens in our life depends on how we think about it. What we think about it, it depends on our point of view, how we look at things, how we think that things are gonna be happening in our life. The same way they will happen. This is an inspiring poem and it gives us a message that we should always be positive, we should always think positive, we should be optimistic in our lives and think always see always the good side of things. We should always think that we can do. We should always think that this is possible for us, and that is all described in this poem. It says that the poem we think, it says that as we think, the happiness with use, everything good or bad depends on our thinking. Whatever is happening in our life, whether it is good or bad, it all depends on our thinking. It all depends on our point of view towards things. If you think you are beaten, you are. If you think you dare not, you don't. If you like to win but think you can't, it's almost a clinch, you cannot. So the first paragraph and the first line starts with this only, that if you think that you are beaten, you are. If you think that you are underdogs, or if you think that you are weaker than anyone, then you are. Because it depends on our thinking. If you think you dare not, if you think that you cannot do anything, if you think that you cannot complete any task, if you think that you are not capable of anything, then you are definitely not. And if you like to win, if you want to win but you think you cannot, if you want to win anything, if you want to win any task and you think you cannot, then definitely you will not win that particular task or particular thing. If you think you lose, you are lost. If you think that I cannot do and I will lose, I will not win, then you will definitely not win. For out in the world we find success begins with the fellow's will. It's all in the state of mind. So success depends on how we think about it. Success or failure, whatever we are getting in our life, it depends on our will. It depends on the fellow's will. It depends on the state of mind. It depends on what we are thinking in our mind. If we are thinking that we are weak in front of others and we cannot stand out in front of anyone, then we'll definitely not be, because confidence and the willpower of and the state of mind should be at a good point. You should always think good and definitely good will happen in your life. If you think you are outclassed, you are. If you have got to think high to rise. You have got to be sure of yourself before you can even to win a prize. So it's all said कि you have to think high. If you think that you're outclassed, you are not capable enough, then you will definitely not win the life's battle. If you think you can high rise, you can. If you think that you can rise very high, if you can think that you can achieve your goal, then definitely you can. That's why it is said to dream big. It is said to dream big, or you can say ki, we can think that we can achieve our goal, and definitely then we'll be able to. We'll get that stamina, we'll get that confidence to beat everyone and reach high, rise high. Life's battle do not always go. In life's battle, sometimes we fail, sometimes we succeed, but it does not happen just like anything. It happens because of our actions. It happens because of our thinking. To the stronger and faster men, but sooner or later the man who wins is the man who thinks he can. But sooner or later, whoever wins, whoever succeeds, whoever gets on the first or whoever rises high is because he or she thinks that he can. He or she thinks that I am the strongest, I can do it, and that's why that person can do particular task or win in life's battle. So it all depends on your thinking. It all depends on our state of mind. Whatever we think is the things that are going to happen in our life. So that was it in this poem. I hope you have understood. The notes of this chapter you'll be getting on School Mitra app. You can download it from there and complete your work in your book and copy. Until my next video, bye bye and take care.